माननीय ऑनरेबल श्री HD देवेगौड़ा जी।
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, I would like to express my sincere thanks to you for having given me an opportunity to speak on the issue that is the allegation made by our recognized opposition about the voter list. Sir, I am a Congress worker, 1952, 1957. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, 52, 57, 62 and 64, what happened? I don't want to repeat that. After the demise of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the tallest leader, Lal Bahadur Shastri came to power. He was there for a short period. You know what happened? The Tashkent Agreement. Sir, after that, Madam Gandhi became the Prime Minister. During her period, I think more than 380 or more than 316, 3-4 elections, Madam Gandhi was able to score in the election. When once there is a decline, then she thought of bifurcating the Parliament and the Assembly separately to fight the election. Even that, I fought the election when it was separated. I have never raised any objection. I was in the opposition. Earlier Samstha Congress, then Janata Dal. I am the president of the Janata Dal when Janata Dal was formed during Morarji Desai. Sir, I never raised any objection. About the bifurcation of the Parliament and the Assembly separately, even then we bow our head and we fought the election. Sir, I was defeated once in the Assembly. 7 times I won the Assembly. 4 times I won Parliament. And 3 times I was defeated by Congress. I never blamed the Congress has made me to defeat by manipulating the voter list. I never.
Please take your seat. Please. Surjewala ji, nothing is going on record. Let him speak.
I have not.
Please, Surjewala ji, please take your seat.
I have not made any.
Honorable sir, please speak.
Because
Please
I have
speak.
to fight only Congress.
that will go on record. Honorable H.D. Devegoula ji, please speak.
There is no other party. In Karnataka, Samstha Congress, Indira Congress. Janata Party, Congress. Please, if you know the history, from last 1952, then you would not have raised any objection. Please pardon me. I have not come to the language you have used, vote chori. I have not come. Manipulation of the voter list. That's all I have said. Sir, in 1991, I came to Lok Sabha. The lone member from Janata Dal. In 1994, I went back to Karnataka and I became the Chief Minister. I have not completed 2 years. I don't know what the sin I have committed in the past life. I am a believer in that. Congress lost the election. And Congress Working Committee, if my memory is correct, 12th May 1996, they have passed a resolution. We are going to support a non-BJP government if secular parties are going to come together. Then the 13-party coalition, the left parties in those days was very strong. And DMK, Mubnar Congress, was totally got 40 seats. TDP has got 40 seats. Biju Janata Dal and our part, I got 16 seats as Chief Minister. And the Congress extended their support through a resolution to support the non-Congress government, non-BJP government. We all sat together and we took a decision to make Jyoti Babu as the Prime Minister. 2 days the discussion went on. Ultimately, their party, there was difference of opinion, and Jyoti Babu declared my name as the Prime Minister. I was in tears. People have given the mandate in Karnataka to rule Karnataka. I have not got the mandate to rule this great nation. But the circumstance was forced. 13-party coalition, I was forced to head the 13-party coalition as Prime Minister.